In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn any 2D element into 3D in Canva. Convert 2D logo to 3D. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a flat logo or graphic and give it dimensional depth, all inside Canva with no extra software. First, open your design in Canva. If you already have your logo on the canvas, great. If not, bring it in as a high-quality image so the edges stay crisp once we add depth. Clean, simple shapes and good contrast tend to convert best. So consider using a solid version of your logo for the most polished result. Next, look to the left-hand panel and click on Apps. In the search bar, type 3D Maker and open the app. If you don't see it right away, give the search a moment or make sure you are in the main design editor, not a brand kit or template browser. Once 3D Maker is open, you are ready to begin the transformation. Now, select your 2D logo or graphic on the canvas. Make sure you've clicked the actual element you want to convert. If your logo has multiple pieces, it works best when it's treated as a single element. So everything extrudes together. With it selected, head into the 3D Maker panel. Click Convert Design to 3D. Canva will process your selection and generate a 3D version. This can take a moment depending on the complexity of the graphic. When it appears, you'll have a new object you can fine-tune to get exactly the look you want. Use the customization controls to adjust the angle, depth, and zoom. Angle changes how your logo is rotated in space. Subtle angles often look more professional than extreme tilts. Depth controls how far the design extrudes, turning a flat shape into a solid form. A moderate depth usually preserves legibility while adding presence. Zoom affects the sense of perspective. Pulling back a bit can prevent distortion and keep your logo readable. Take your time here, nudging each setting until the 3D effect enhances rather than overwhelms your brand. When you are happy with the look, it's time to export. Set the background to transparent, so you can place the 3D logo on any color, photo, or video later. Choose a high-quality format like PNG to keep edges clean. If you are working with transparency, ensure the option is enabled before you download. That's it. Thanks for watching.